this? Perfect. Perfect.
All right.
Right there. Keep your hand there.
Wait, Jay, should we cover your face?
So I think I should sit like this.
It's just a little more appropriate.
Trying to cover up everything? All right, so Little Bird, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Should we look at you or like him?
A little bit of both is fine. If you're, get close to the mic if you're answering.
Okay.
This is Jackie with In the Key of Change, and I'm here with Little Bird at Lancaster, Pennsylvania's Launch Music Festival. Little Bird is a sort of blues rock band.
Blues rock band. So.
Yeah. From Maryland as well, so that's always cool. How would you describe your music to new listeners? Because there's lots of new listeners here.
New listeners.
I would say the rhythm feel of 90s rap over blues and funk. Which is pretty specific, but it's pretty accurate.
How do you mesh those two sounds together? Because it doesn't always sound like it would.
Well, it's just so many different influences for all of us. You know, everybody brings something to the table.
We all have our favorite.
Jazz is acoustic, harmonica, you know, Chris has this folk, kind of style, reggae drumming. And then,
ADHD drumming.
You know, we bring a lot of blues and rock to it, so, you know, it's all different.
Fair enough. So what music do you have out there that stands for rap?
We put together a demo last year. We recorded that, written, recorded, so we could have some gigs out. And now we're working on some new stuff, and we'll be there in June and July. And have stuff out by late July or August. And that'll be new stuff. New stuff.
The album that we put out is The American Spirit's album. It's on, you can find it on our website.
So of the music that you have out, what's the one song that best represents your sound?
I think it's All About, just because it's my favorite song to play, but they don't like it because it's kind of cheesy.
It just represents our sound easily.
It's the direction we're going in. It's not developed. The song itself is not developed.
It's the most unique song.
That's the direction.
And so you performed where? What are some clubs, especially in Maryland, that I would recognize?
Ramshead Live in Baltimore, Ramshead Tavern in Annapolis, Metropolitan Kitchener Lounge, Baltimore Soundstage, Armadillos. Philly, we go to Philly a lot. The Great Room in Philly, that was really cool. It's cool light.
So you guys are here at launch. What do you hope to get out of this conference?
Same thing we got out of Bowie Beach Music Conference. I think launch is run by around the same people, a couple of them. But basically just meet cool people, listen to the music that go over there, played some nice songs I was listening to on my way to the laboratory. But just learning about the music industry is fun, but kind of depressing. It's sort of a dying industry, it seems to me, as far as financial music sales go. But I mean, I think with the fall of that, it's bringing some more creative people, and it's becoming more about the music rather than selling it some money because you can't sell it anymore. So people are just trying to make cool music for cool people.
Speaking of cool people, how do you guys use social media?
Social media. Well, I take a picture of every meal that I eat, every bite that I eat, and it's yummy.
We make sure we have all the Man Crush Mondays.
All the Man Crush Mondays.
All the Throwback Wednesdays. Yeah, Throwback Thursdays.
No, but we have a Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Vine.
Yeah, but Vine,
More or less retired.
Vine's hard.
those of you Viners out there that have 100,000 followers, that is a talent. Vine is so hard to master.
Do you have Vine? Do you use Vine?
Yeah,
You watch them.
It's so hard.
That's probably the best part about Vine is just scrolling through it.
That's what Vine is watching video.
I waste a half hour a day on Vine, usually in the laboratory.
fair enough. So
Yeah,
what's
I'm sorry. But because we're younger, so social media is like really big within our friend group, so that's pretty important.
That's how we promote all our
Especially
shows.
Twitter.
Everybody's doing it.
So what's up next for Little Bird after lunch?
After lunch, well, tonight we are going to York, Pennsylvania, which is right down the street, 40 minutes away, and we're gonna be playing at Wheelie Bar and Grill, promoting a music festival that we're playing in August for River Jam Central
Central
PA Music Festival. So that's where we're off to tonight, and then next week we're going to Wake Forest University. Wake Forest University. I don't even know what kind of
WFU.
WFU. And then we got some stuff in Minneapolis throughout the month.
Lots of local shows.
Yeah,
Be on the
Pen in August is gonna be really cool.
Well, stay tuned for more from Little Bird. This is Jackie with In the Key of Change. All right, thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't forget your stuff. Whoever's bag I pushed his